First off, figure out your editing style. Find out what you like the best. There are editing styles that are completely plain and basic, which might be a little boring, so try different styles that can be really eye-catching and creative. Second, doing crazy transitions could not get your image clear. Might also make your audience hurt dizzy watching it. So keep your transitions simple but creative background image or idea. But once again, also have your style the way you want. So I'm not really telling you how it should be, but this is just some income. Third, always add motion blur and make it really natural. If you have free Video Star, I recommend effects on colors, focus, and just adjust it to your wanting. Fourth, make your edits less choppy. Adjust a graph where it would prevent a choppy transition. Don't have your keyframes too close from each other, but not too far as well. Fifth, use shakes for smoother edits. You can figure many in YouTube how to make one, or many people give away out for free. Just search up shakes on After Effects or whatever software you use. 6. Adding wiggle or panning in your edit. It makes your edit so much more smoother. I see a lot of edits that just stands awkwardly freezing, so prevent that, especially in a clip that is alone for a long period of time. 7. Figure out creative thumbnails cover that can attract people to press on. Have your own preferences. Be creative and unique with your own idea. Make it HD quality too. 8th, adding flicker and a bit of S_shake if you're in After Effects will make your edit far more interesting. It gives off that vintage, which I think is really cool. It also makes your edit smoother, in my opinion. 9th tip, I actually enjoy a lot using 3D transitions to my edit. Just make it simple. For After Effects users, you can do 3D transitions absolutely for free. And I have many tutorials on my channel. Just are really simple and easy ones. It adds spice to your edit. 10th tip. This is for After Effects user, which definitely is the hidden gem. Try out mid-graphs. It makes your edit so much smoother and prevents choppiness by a lot. I will post it on my channel for a clear tutorial. At the end, have fun and do not pressure yourself. It's nothing about competing, and it takes time to achieve perfect. You will come a really long way, even just by you clicking on this video to improve your edit. DM me on WantCutie in Instagram if you have any questions. I respond to DMs.